Hi guys, I'm so excited you're here. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine and welcome to Excited for Coupons. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And let's get started to see all those great deals and how you're able to save. So this is my haul and this is how I did. This is the haul for Saturday, and what I'm going to do is divide everything by transaction. So this is the first picture, and on this picture you will see Colgate and also the one that you get 5 off when you spend 20. So I'm going to go those into details, and then I'm going to continue the next transaction. So on this one is the Colgate. If you have the coupon that's 4 off 2, this will be a very easy deal to do, and it will be a moneymaker. But I also had another coupon that it was available a few weeks back that deducts 5 off 3, and it does include the mouthwash. And I had a CRT deducting 4 off 14, Colgate mouthwash, and also Colgate toothpaste. So what I did was I purchased 2 of the mouthwash and 2 of the toothpaste, and I used the 5 off 3. I used 1 off 1 for the mouthwash, and I used that CRT deducting 4 off 14. So my total came out to $14.96. After those coupons were deducted, my total came out to $4.96, but I got back 8 ECB, 2 for each item, as you can see, and the limit is 2. So I was able to get 4 for the toothpaste and 4 for the mouthwash, giving it a total of $3.04 moneymaker. So that's just for the Colgate deal. Now to the 5 off 20. Well, actually, you get a 5 ECB when you spend 20. So what I did was I purchased the Tide Pods. I had this coupon that deducts $3, but it expires on Saturday. And I also did the deal for the Head and Shoulders, and I also bought 2 packs of water that are for $2.49 each. So right there, I was able to reach the $20. I used 5 off, 2 for the Head and Shoulders if you don't have this coupon. It is available in the app. And I also had a CRT deducting 3 off 12 any shampoo. So it was perfect for the for the Head and Shoulders deal. So for that deal, I was able to reach $20. And after the coupons, so my total was $21.92. After all those coupons, it came out to $10.92. Once I received the 5 ECB, it made it $5.92. So on this transaction of $5.92 minus the $3.04 moneymaker, it came out to $2.88 for this transaction. So the second transactions is the soap and the Maybelline. This came out to free and $2.04 moneymaker because I had a $3 beauty reward. The first item that I did purchase was the soap, and it was almost the same deal that I share in my best deals video. I purchased 2 for $3.49. I used 2 coupons and that CRT. I paid $3.48. I got back $3.50, making it free for both items. So it was a really good deal using those coupons and the CRT. And those coupons came on. They're going to be available for tomorrow's paper. The next deal I did was the Maybelline. I want to try this foundation. It's at $9.99. And the single eyeshadow for $3.99. I used a coupon deducting 3. I did not use the coupon deducting 1 because it did not apply. I used a CRT deducting 3 for the Maybelline that we all got last week, and also the 2 off 12. I got back 5 ECB, making it 98 cents for both items. So for everything, it would have been just 49 cents for the Maybelline since the soap was free. But since I had that beauty reward, it was money that I earned, the free for beauty items. It came out to free and $2.04 moneymaker for this second transaction. So this is my last transaction. This one was free and 54 cents moneymaker, but since I did have $6 on beauty rewards, which I'm going to share the receipt at the end of this transaction, it came out to $6.54 moneymaker. The first transaction, or the first item on this transaction I did was the Maybelline. This was a slightly different. The total came out to $10.48. After the coupons I had 2 different the CRTs. It came out to $4.48. I'm not including the 2 off 12 on that one. So it came out after the ECB came out to 52 cents. I did use the 2 off 12 on this transaction. So this one came out just like I share. From $11.98, I paid $9.98. I got back 10 ECB, making it free. So I was able to do more items for cosmetics, and I also did the Clairol Root Touch Up hair color. This one is just for just Saturday, since the Ibotta offer expires, at least mine expires like around 2 in the morning. So I was able to buy 2. I used the coupon deducting off 8. and I was able to submit it to Ibotta, making it free. So on this transaction, I'm going to show you my receipt so you could also see the coupons that I did use, and that I was able to use 2 of my beauty rewards, making it free, and $6.54 Moneymaker. So it is worth getting items that are almost free and also beauty items. So my haul would have been $94.30, but with those $9 on beauty rewards, it came out to free and $5.70 Moneymaker. I wanted to share with you my haul. Just keep in mind that it's early activation. Some of those coupon expires on Saturday. So I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. And if I do any other hauls, I will share them here as well. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video. Bye.